Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Tanya Direct. So in this tutorial, you are going to learn about how to print the natural numbers using a language called Python programming language. So in this video, I'll explain you in very detail how to get natural numbers. Okay. So first, let us know what are the natural numbers. So you are already knowing that 1 to infinity. Okay. These numbers are called as natural numbers, a number which starts with 1. Okay, so which starts with 0, that number is called as whole number, right? So I think everybody have understood this natural numbers. Now if you wanted to print these numbers using Python programming language, so we need to take some kind of input. Okay, and based on that input you have to find it out. Now see here I have written using hash function the name of the program. Now natural numbers are begins with 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that to n. Okay, so now let us declare some variable num. Okay, is equals to, by default I was mentioning 10. Okay, so here what I want to get is I want to get 1 to 10 natural numbers using loop. Okay, so for is a loop, and here I is one variable in range. For I in range, now see here, it should start with 1, right? So that is the reason you have to mention in the beginning as 1. Now it starts with 1. So put 1 as over here. I'll just zoom this so that you'll have a clear picture of what I was writing. Oh, just a second. So now see here 1 comma num plus 1. So here you will get a doubt. Ma'am, why are you writing this num plus 1, right? So this num plus 1 I'll tell you here. So for suppose initially your value is 1. Okay. So if you want start with 1, it's okay. It will print 1. But if you wanted to get the next number, this 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. Now 2 will be getting stored, and 2 plus 1, which is nothing but 3. And after that 3 will be stored over there, and 3 plus 1, 4. Likewise, it will print till 10. Okay, so that is the logic over here. I'll just clear all these things. Now here you want to print it, right? That is the reason mention print statement. So print of I. So here in this I, the value will be getting stored in this new variable called I. So now let's run it. See here you are getting an error because I haven't mentioned the colon. So just mention the colon and run it again. This is a very basic sentence. I just forgot it, but it's very, very important. You should not forget like that. Now see here, you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now if you mention 20 over here, so automatically you'll be getting 20 values. Okay, see here. For suppose you may get one more doubt that, madam, if I wanted to give some kind of user-defined input, what should I do? Okay, so I'll be telling you 2, 3 methods to write a program. Now copy the same program and paste it down, or else you can make some changes over there only. Just a second, I'll just zoom out a bit. Okay, I'll be making changes over here. So here instead of 20 you have to mention input, enter the value. Okay, so now you have to mention int or anything because it's a natural number is an integers, right? All those are integers, so that is the reason here in the beginning you have to mention int of input and close the bracket. Okay, so this is a one more method of declaring a programming. So that you will get here by default you have to enter some value. Enter the value. So I'll be entering 30. So you'll be getting 30 values. That means 30 natural numbers which begins with 1. I hope everybody will be clear. So without any confusion, the logic over here is number you are entering manually. Okay, so what is your default number? 30 you are entering. So it is starting with 1. Now this 1 will be getting stored in the I variable. Now 1 plus 1, which is nothing but 2. So this 2 is again going and storing in the same I variable. Likewise, it will be repeating till 30. Okay. I hope everybody clear. So please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for further updates.